Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Lighting and PVC manufacturing outfit Fosrich Company Limited has secured real estate in the United States through which it will service that North American market. In a release on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website, the company said that its subsidiary Fosrich USA Incorporated has signed a lease agreement for an office in Tennessee and has outfitted the space. Additionally, the company has employed staff who will be engaged in data collection and market research efforts. The government of Jamaica, GOJ, and the World Bank on last Tuesday signed a loan agreement for US $20 million to support the Jamaica Social Protection for Increased Resilience and Opportunities SPIRO project, directly benefiting at least 290,425 people, including 155,719 women. The program will support formal workers covered by universal insurance, vulnerable job seekers, and beneficiaries of various social assistance programs. Additionally, the Minister of Labor and Social Security, the Planning Institute of Jamaica, and other government stakeholders will benefit from system upgrades and diagnostic studies. Jamaican-traded regional business technology company Productive Business Solutions PBX expects to close a strategic acquisition of Xerox operations in Ecuador and Peru by this month end, which is the end of the company's current second quarter of 2024. In its March first quarter shareholders report, management reports that it has successfully initiated the strategic acquisition. During trading for the period June 10, 2024 to June 14, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Omni Industries Limited with 26,553,211 units amounted to 18.92% of the market volume in terms of sales. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 18,466,801 units amounting to 13.16% of the market volume in terms of sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 14,882,699 units amounted to 10.60% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 14, 2024, registered a volume of 41,009 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 775,444 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 2 cents. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 11,000 shares changing hands for a value of 13,568 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 40 cents, followed by Prestige Holdings Limited with a volume of 9,059 shares being traded for 117,590 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 14, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $48.8 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $55.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.49 and bought the US dollar for $155.14. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.35, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.96 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.02 and bought for $113.06. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.22, selling it for $200.76 and buying it for $194.32. For the credit report tip of the day, building a solid credit relationship with your banker is essential for the growth and stability of your business. One of the effective strategies to nurture this crucial relationship is to open a business bank account. Establish your business's financial identity by opening a dedicated business bank account. This is the first step in creating a formal relationship with your bank. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.